Oh, yellow one again. 3-1 for yellow. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Daniel. I have with me the mini troopers from Totem. Now I'm going to cover in this video the app. We'll look at the app that controls the robots, and also we'll do battles. And we'll look at the games that are indicated or shown at the end of the manual. Now, if you missed my first video, I invite you to look at it because I explain about the kits. You can buy a kit of 1 robot or a kit of 2. And also I do an unboxing, a total assembly of the green robot over here, which I'm going to show right now in details. So you can see here the top, and you have the bottom here, and we see quite well the control board over here, the 2 ball bearings in the back here for rotation. You can move the flipper up. You can see the inside here. The flipper is operated by this servo here, and there is a battery over here. So again, like I said in my first video, the battery is included, which is good, and also you get the tools to assemble the robots. Now let me show you the app first. Now the first time you start the app, you have a tutorial. You can of course uncheck that so it doesn't show in the future. But I'm going to go quickly. There is a lot here because the same app can control many robots made by Totem, not only the mini troopers. So you can pause the video if you want to read the whole page. So over here, they show here how to connect. I'm going to go through that. You have some settings also, but not a lot. It's not a complicated robot. Here you can control the robot with the arrows. This is quite simple. If there is by any chance a problem with the wiring and your robot goes in the opposite direction of the app, you can actually adjust it over here. You can reverse the outputs. There's a model list. Like I said, you can control different types of robots. You can edit the list. Here I'm not sure this is editing. Here you can customize model by creating specific controls and appearance, which I did. I did the appearance, as you will see, so that I have a green or a yellow background. You can add a widget, which I did not see for the mini trooper. I do not have a new widget after installing the app. I'm guessing this is for a different robot from Totem. So you can manage the widget. You have widget actions, and edit the actions and start creating. You can see in this picture here they have also like a rover or a jeep and also a robotic arm in their kit, which you can look at on their website. Now tap on finish, and here we need to connect. Now to connect, I'm going to use the yellow one here. You just connect the battery to the control board, and you will see something interesting here. You can move the flipper if you want more room to connect this, and I'm going the right way. Yeah, right there. There you go. Look at the LEDs here. Does that remind you of the TV show Battlestar Galactica? The famous, the bad guys, the Cylons. Look at that. This is very cool. Now, once it is connected, let's go back to the app. You can tap on Mini Trooper, but it says at the top not connected. So I just made a mistake. Let's go back. You need to connect first before you select the model. So tap on connect at the top, and you can see here what I meant before, the yellow background. I did modify that. So if I tap on that, it says connecting, and we are connected. Now let's look briefly at Explore. This is where you would disconnect or update the firmware, which I did, but there was no update. And also press on Settings. This is where you can see the name of your control board, the version of the firmware, and the color. And I chose white to match the white flipper over here. And then we can just tap on Mini Trooper, and we have the controls. And by doing so, look at the LED here. We have a different scan or a different pattern indicating that we are connected. So I'm going to move my camera a little lower so we can see the robot here better, just like that. Okay, now in the app we have a few buttons, and we'll start from the top. We have a slider for the flipper. Now you can decide exactly where you want the flipper to go. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to move that sideways like that. Now you have two buttons for all the way up, all the way down, again up and down. Then you have a big button for the flipper again, but you have to hold the button, and as soon as you release the button, the flipper goes down. So it's different. Look at that. All the way up, release the button, all the way down. I can just go up half, just like that. See? And now you can move forward, backwards. Look at the speed of this thing. Look at that. I'm going to move it over here so you can see on the camera over there. Look at that. It is fast. And I'm going to do a rotation now, right there. It is fast, look at that. And you can move forward or backward and turn at the same time. Look at that. They move very, very well. Very, very well. So this is the app, guys, and I'm just going to let it go now for now. So if I had a second phone, which I will have when we do the games and play a battle, the second phone would connect to this one, and then you would have a green background for the button to indicate that you are controlling the green robot. So we're going to look at the games that are at the end of the manual here. And Totem recommends they have 4 games over here. They have Sumo, Flipper, Battle Royale, and Football. So basically, Sumo you can draw on the table or on the floor with masking tape like a big circle, and the winner is the robot that will push the other robot out of the circle. You can play also, they say football, or it could be hockey, with the little puck here. This is 3D printed. This also provided in the kit. So again, you put that in the middle, table or a floor. You put masking tape over here to simulate the 2 goals. And then the goal of the game is to push the puck beyond the line. So yeah, this is it. And the other 2 are variations of what I just showed. So basically, you can play like hockey or football with the puck, or you have a sumo and you try to push, or you have also the flipper, like in the TV show BattleBots. You try to flip your opponent upside down, which is not easy to do, you will see, but we're going to do a full demonstration using 2 phones and the 2 robots. So let's go and do that now. All right, let's do a game of sumo. We have Sophie on the left with the yellow Mini Trooper, and Alex on the right with the green Mini Trooper. And we have a spectator. Oh, she's leaving. Or maybe she will stay. Okay, so let's go. Sumo, first one to get out of the blue lines, lose. Go. Oh, it's a fierce battle. Oh, I think the green one is stuck on top of the yellow one. He has to back. Oh, the green one won. Let's go back to the center. Let's do a second game.
Okay.
Second game, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my god.
Who's the yellow one? The yellow you lost. You lost already.
Yellow needs some practice.
It's 1-1. It's 1-1. Okay, ready, yellow? Go. Oh, yellow won again. Oh, wow, this is impressive, Sophie. Quite a good use of the flipper.
So that was lucky.
So it's 2-1 for yellow. Another game. Let's go. Go. Oh. 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 Almost.
No. No. Oh, yellow one again. 3-1 for yellow. Now we'll play a football. I'm going to remove the 2 blue tapes on the sides.
when your Mini Trooper is upside down, you can actually use the flipper to turn it the right side up. Go ahead, Alex. Look at that. It works perfectly. So let's play football now, or soccer in North America. So we have the 3D printed puck in the middle. And ready? Alex, Sophie, go! Oh, we can see here the yellow one is struggling to push the puck in the right direction. The green one has trouble also. And the green puck is off bound. Okay, guys, you need to put the puck in the center. Back in the center. You can leave the robots on the side maybe, because you can control them.
Out of bounds.
Yeah, out of bounds. So, thank you. Go!
Yes!
Oh, yes, 1 point for green.
Don't play with me.
Put the puck in the middle. Yeah, put the puck right in the middle. It's more fair
I'll
this
give
way.
yellow a chance.
Oh, you will? Okay, good. Go!
No.
Next time maybe don't give yellow a chance. Okay, yellow won. The puck went across the line. Or actually it should be a ball if it's football, right? 1, 2, 3, go! We can see green is trying. Oh, the green was able to save this in extremis. You're battling each other instead of pushing the puck. I think it's out of bounds.
Okay,
Yeah, we
okay.
need to put it back in.
That's a foul.
Was that a foul? Okay, yellow card for the yellow Mini Trooper. Let's go. Oh, the yellow saved it. Let's put the puck in the middle. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey, going backwards. This is good, green. So what's the point now? I lost track of the point.
2-2.
2-2? Really? One more game. We'll finish at the best of 3.
was a big
1,
game.
2, 3, go. Let's put it back in the center. Hey, don't damage my camera.
I'll say next goal wins.
Yeah, let's put the puck in the center. And next goal wins.
Next goal.
Ready?
No!
Yes.
Don't.
Go, Sophie, go. Go.
I think the green one was giving a chance to the yellow one here. Well, thank you guys. We just did our game of football or American soccer, or it could even be hockey since we have a puck. So thank you. So guys, you saw how fun they are to operate with the games we did. And they work very well also. The app is very simple, very easy to use, and they seem to connect all the time. No issues with connection. And it's not only fun to play with, it's also the assembly. Like I showed in my first video, the assembly is also fun, and it's not very difficult, and it doesn't take a long time also. So highly recommended. And as always, if you have any questions about the Mini Troopers, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.